I would like to note that our agency is one of the first bid to receive information about the developer who plans to build a new community, a new district between Abu Dhabi and Dubai. It will be a separate district with sustainable greenery. The area will cover 3.8 million square meters. It will be located near the Jebel Ali Palm. Therefore, this complex is an absolutely unique location because it will be the first line within walking distance to the sea, a separate community that will be fully developed with social facilities and its own infrastructure. There will be clinics, a school, kindergartens, parks, and a huge beach club that will be located on the first line of the sea. And it is also known now that townhouses and villas will be released in the first phase. Currently, there is no exact pricing information, but based on experience, I can say that these will be quite advantageous offers for those considering investments at the construction stage with the aim of resale or future rental after the project's completion. According to our data, it is known that townhouses and villas will be presented. Townhouses will range from 3 to 5 bedrooms, and villas will range from 4 to 7 bedrooms, respectively, in the luxury and ultra-luxury segments. Therefore, the starting prices for a 3-bedroom townhouse will approximately vary around 2 million dirhams. Villas with 4 to 6 bedrooms will approximately start from 3 to 3.5 million dirhams. And standalone villas with 6 or more bedrooms can be inquired about separately upon request. If you have any specific questions about this project, you can leave your question in the comments. I would like to note that this developer is a master developer. He doesn't just develop a few residential properties or a few dozen villas. This is a master developer who builds entire communities. I would like to point out that this is in the southwestern part of Dubai, on the road to Abu Dhabi, in the Jebel Ali area, near the new Al Maktoum airport, which is planned to become the largest hub in the world in the future. Therefore, this part of Dubai is developing very quickly and is in high demand among investors because at this stage, prices are quite affordable and there is enormous potential for the development of entire areas and consequently for price growth. According to my data, over the past 2 years, the cost has already increased by an average of 40 to 50%, depending on the location and specific complex. But projects located on the first line of the sea are always in demand, both for rent and for resale. Therefore, the option is absolutely unique. And for those who want to consider the very starting prices and initial offers, you can contact us. We, having exclusive access to the developer and information, can provide you with all the necessary information and additionally arrange a direct call with the developer. We also provide after-sales service where we can help furnish your property or assist in renting it out or reselling it. Therefore, we not only offer to purchase, but we offer a mutually beneficial long-term partnership with us.